I'm Ganeshkumar, HOD in charge, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, first year.
From chaos to creativity. If we give a paper and pen to a child, what it will do? It will scribble, tear the paper, and he makes some lot of chaos over that. But over the time of period, we give certain inputs to the child through a learning process so that the child will become a great artist or he become a story writer or whatever it may be. Over a period of time, he or she will be doing wonders. So, how the chaos changes to a creative one? The chaos changes to creative one through a great leadership, the leadership with a great dream. Do we have the dream here? Yes, we have the dream, 1,000 startup based on design thinking framework and AI.
Our SNS roadmap consists of 4 stages so that we can move from chaos to an excellence creation one. The one, foundation, and the number 2 is framework and culture. Number 3, growth, innovation, and the stage 4, which leads us to a creation and excellence. Foundation. The foundation start with chaos everywhere, with frustrations, and how we transform this chaos into an excellence is a great task. That we have an approach, it is a common approach in which we can redesign our common minds towards excellence, and redesigning for an entrepreneurial mindset is an important one. This can be done by a design thinking framework. After the foundation, there comes a framework and culture. So we need to create a framework and change the culture of our students to move towards a creational aspects. The framework and cultures are, we follow a 3P culture in which we concentrate whatever the activity we do in 3 aspects, that is purpose, process, and people. What purpose we are doing and what are the process which we are following and who is the user end, that is human centric approach. And the next one is 3 frameworks, that means which involves in a 3 competency circle, which makes the students change in their attitude. So we first build an attitude, then skills, that means the logical skills and the technical skills. This 3P and 3Cs, how this can be developed in a student. There comes the 5 pillars. Through the 5 pillars, we can learn and we can upskill, we can innovate, and we can make networks. And the mental fitness is not alone important for a student. We also make the student to be fit as physical as, so that the mental health and physical health goes hand in hand for a better human. There comes the spine. Through the spine, we go for sports activities, hobbies, and physical fitness. So of a foundation and creating a framework and culture to the students, there comes a deep learning process that makes us for the growth and getting an innovative ideas. So in which through a 15 clubs, we create a 7+7 approach to the students. We have 7 industry verticals based on 7 innovation technologies. So these technologies and industries have been identified, and through the 15 clubs, the students start exploring that, particularly based on an AI-generated approach. So these AI-generated approaches will make them to grow and make them to think innovations. And how to develop an innovative skills, there comes a certified learning courses. So through which the growth and innovations can be explored. This will take to the next level of creating a new thing. So we call this as growth mindset. Our growth mindset can be achieved by using generative AI and design thinking framework. So at last, we started from chaos and landed over 1,000 startup targets. Through our design thinking framework and by using AI modeling, the 1,000 startup in 10 years is not just a dream, it is an achievable one. Thank you.